Hi, Sketchlab friends! What happens when Pikachu gets zapped into a lemon donut? Well, today we're turning this electric cutie into the ultimate dessert mashup. Frosting, sprinkles, and all. So grab your Posca markers and let's make some sweet Pokemon fan art magic together. And if you don't have Poscas, don't worry, you can use whatever you have. We basically just use color's value. So we're starting off with the shape of the head. And now we're going to go ahead and start the expression. So draw a little circle for the eye and leave that little white dot. And this is in 3/4 view, so we are going to curve a line to the left. It turns the character's head to the left. And I'm going to slightly draw a line up. This side we're going to draw just a little bit smaller because it is further off in the distance. Well, I want to thank you so much for joining me today on this fun drawing. Aww. So its nose. And then we're going to draw Pikachu's mouth. You'll notice his mouth is a little bit longer on the right-hand side. I think it's always good to show your mistakes. Nobody's perfect, right? That's what erasers are for. So we're going to go ahead and draw the bottom part of the mouth now. And we're off to a great start. A little bit of a line for tongue in there. Well, if you have any suggestions for more characters, let me know in the comments section. I'm always curious to see what you want to draw. So this is a little bit of a cheek because this character is in 3/4 view. Draw that marking on there. So I think Pikachu is citrus charged today. This lemon donut, electric lemon donut. So we're going to curve that line out. You can see now to the left. This side I curved out to the right. And this is a little marking on top. And once again, curving that line out to the right. And then curving it out to the left. So does Pikachu look like he's tasted his own frosting? Aw, I guess so. Okay, this is one of his arms. Pikachu's looking so cute today. And because this is 3/4 view, we can see a little bit of the side of Pikachu. I'm going to curve this line down. And now we have his tail. And I always think this looks like a hockey stick at the top here. All right. Well, he's not on a Pokeball today, he's on a donut. So this is going to be the rough end for the shape of the donut. And I just love these dessert mashups. They never get old to me. They're so much fun to do. So now we have our wavy line. It's going to create that dripping frosting coming down the donut. Yeah, I think Pikachu thought he was going to go battle Charizard, but he became a snack instead. All right, so we're going to be using colors value today. I'm putting down a base color. And then I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to be cutting in with a darker color for the shadows. So on this one here, I'm actually doing a little bit of color mixing right on the canvas. So I had brown and then apricot to make it lighter. So sometimes I do change the colors if needed. And here's the cutting in part. So now that yellow is dried, going in with the darker value. And then going in with sprinkles. Cutting in means you're not mixing your colors, guys. So you let that bottom layer dry first. And that's a wrap on our Lemon Pikachu Donut. Well, thank you so much for hanging out and creating with me today. Sketchlight family, you're the best. If you want more sweet fan art like this, check out the full How to Draw with Posca Marker playlist. We've got axolotl floats, shark slurpees, and tons of kawaii chaos waiting for you. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.